Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, Head Currency Analyst. In this video, we're going to look over the Kiwi as we were looking for the market to break down, and we're starting to see some decent moves out of it. So we're short Kiwi dollar, we're short Kiwi yen, so I'm going to break those markets down. I'm also going to cover the other positions that we have in play because the moves have really gone in our favour, and it's covered what we did last week and some. So if we go into Kiwi dollar first, the reason we were looking for the ultimate breakdown here really was the fact that price had made this lower low pattern through here, and then market rallied back up into the key structure lows just through here and was really failing to break any higher. So we had this almost fake out pattern where price creates a bit of an inside candle. It then looks like we're going to see a continuation to the upside, and then just hits the wick, closes back within the previous candlestick range. So there was a lot of indecision going on around here on the market, and the fact that we broke and made lower lows and came and retested that structure point, it gave us a signal to say, yep, this market could be now on its way back to the downside. So if we take a look at that sort of weekly, even monthly side of things, we looked at the monthly at the end of the month and said, well, price is at this area here, at this resistance point. We're expecting the market to drop to the downside. It closed bearish. We expect some kind of retest of even this structure down here on Kiwi. How can we take advantage of that? The thing is, we wanted to see that daily breakdown. So we have that lower low pattern now. We had the retracement back to it. We've got that consolidation. Price is now breaking in our favor, and if it continues to go that way and hits those targets and breaks this level just through here as well, that 0.6530, I'd expect a continuation of that Kiwi to the downside. Okay, so looking good here at the moment. Same with Kiwi yen. Took a couple of days to really start moving on Kiwi yen. Price again, similar sort of pattern to what we saw here on Kiwi dollar. The market makes a nice lower low pattern. It then makes its way back up. Where does it retest those previous structure lows? Drops, rallies, takes out those highs here, creates a false breakout pattern where we get a close above the previous high and then a close back within the high. And now we're starting to see that move pushing to the downside again. Really great level down here around about that 69.90 area. So looking again, if that price breaks through there, can we see a continuation down? Okay, so starting to see prices roll over in our favor here, so we'll see how that moves. Euro Aussie is another market that we've been in for quite a while, and we like this market because of that daily structure. And if I just zoom in, the reason why we liked it so much was the fact that price made this double bottom pattern through here, rallied up, came back down, retested that structure. So we looked for the long opportunity. Unfortunately, it came back and retested, double bottomed, but kept us in the trade, and now we're starting to move and head towards those targets just through here. But one thing we can do by looking at the 4-hour time frame on Euro Oz is the way it's moved. I would suggest now we can just move that stop loss to break even, cover that move just through there, and hopefully price can continue to the upside. You know, we've got this sort of high in here that could be acting as support through there. So if it then pushes and hits targets, that's all good for us there. But at least we've covered some capital just through there. So Euro was looking pretty good. Finally started to make its move to the upside now. Let's see if that can continue on. Dollar Swiss, I still like Dollar Swiss. It came back into these highs again, came to break even, started to create a nice bullish move again. The 4-hour I like because we changed cycle again on the 4-hour, made a higher high. We've pulled back into that now, and we're starting to make our moves up. I'd just like to see it kind of give us a little bit more. There's a little bit of a sticking point here around about 0.9160 where the market's recently found some support and resistance. So if it can break through that, that'll be really good for some possible add-in positions, with targets being that first high in there, and we can see that continuation after that point. But at the moment, I like Dollar Swiss. I really like Euro Aussie, obviously. Kiwis are looking good as well. So we'll hold these and see if they can hit those targets through there, and hopefully end the week with a good result. Thanks for watching. I'll speak to you soon.